21वां दिन। तालिका 8, टेबल 8। A, column 1, this is, that isn't. Column 2, his, her, their, your, my, our. O-U-R-R. Column 3, house. This is his house. This is her house. This is their house. This is your house. This is my house. This is our house. That isn't his house. That isn't her house. That isn't their house. That isn't your house. That isn't my house. That isn't our house. B, column 1. This house is. That house isn't. Column 2. His, hers, theirs, yours, mine, ours. This house is his. This house is hers. This house is theirs. This house is yours. This house is mine. This house is ours. That house isn't his. That house isn't hers. That house isn't theirs. That house isn't yours. That house isn't mine. That house isn't ours. Mr. Ram's का अर्थ है मिस्टर राम का। अपॉस्ट्रोफी प्लस एस का प्रयोग किसी वस्तु या व्यक्ति का दूसरे व्यक्ति से संबंध बताने के लिए होता है। दिस इज मिस्टर मेहताज हाउस। शी इज मीनाज सिस्टर। ज्यादातर प्रयोग प्राणवान वस्तुओं के साथ होता है, पर कभी कभी प्राणहीन पदार्थों के साथ भी इसका प्रयोग मान्य माना जाता है। अ डेज वर्क। डेज apostrophe s. A month's supply. Months apostrophe s. A year's growth. Years apostrophe s. आदि। ये इसलिए शुद्ध अथवा सही माने जाते हैं क्योंकि ये एक्सप्रेशंस भाषा में काफी प्रचलित हो गए हैं। इन्हें अशुद्ध कहकर निकाला नहीं जा सकता।
पृष्ठ 90।
22वां दिन। तालिका 9, टेबल 9। तालिका 9 में इन, अंडर, ऑन, नियर स्थानवाची शब्द यानी कि प्लेटियल वर्ड्स वाक्य में प्रयोग हुए हैं। इसमें 5 कॉलम्स हैं। कॉलम 1, इट, योर प्लेट, द बॉटल, द कप। कॉलम 2, इज, इजंट। कॉलम 3, इन, अंडर, ऑन, नियर। कॉलम 4, दैट, दिस, योर, मिस्टर राम्स। कॉलम 5, बैग, बास्केट, टेबल। इन 5 कॉलम्स में जो शब्द हैं उनको कंबाइन करके यानी कि उनको एक साथ मिलाकर जब हम सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं तो अगर आप बनाना शुरू करें तो इसमें 384 सेंटेंसेस बनकर आएंगे। कोशिश कीजिए और कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हम आपको पढ़कर सुनाते हैं। इट इज इन दैट बैग। इट इज under that bag. It is on this bag. It is near that bag. Your plate is on this bag. Your plate is near Mr. Ram's basket. Your plate is near your table. Your plate is on this basket. Similarly, the bottle isn't in that bag. The bottle isn't near Mr. Ram's table. The bottle isn't under your basket. The bottle isn't near that bag. The cup isn't under your basket. The cup isn't in that bag. The cup isn't near Mr. Ram's table. The cup is on your basket. These are just a few examples that we are giving you, but if you are going to thoroughly try to make sentences from table 9, you are going to get 384 sentences in all. Why don't you try and learn the language this way? 23वां दिन। तालिका 10 में TOO2 और TO2 संबंधित शब्दों यानी कि लिंकिंग वर्ड्स का अभ्यास दिया जाता है। I am too tired to do such heavy work का अर्थ है मैं इतना थक गया हूं कि ऐसा कठिन काम नहीं कर सकता। I am too tired, TOO, too tired. Too का अर्थ यहाँ पर है इतना, and I am too tired to do such heavy work. इस to का अर्थ है कि, तो इसको हम कह सकते हैं मैं इतना अधिक थक गया हूं कि ऐसा कठिन काम नहीं कर सकता। इसी प्रकार अन्य वाक्यों में इन शब्दों का अर्थ समझना चाहिए। और अब देखते हैं कुछ टेबल्स। तालिका 10, टेबल 10। There are 5 columns in this table. Column 1, I am. The little boy was. You will be. Column 2, TOO2. Column 3, tired, hungry, weak. Column 4, TO2. Column 5, do such heavy work. Go back so soon. Answer their questions. Examples: I am too tired to do such heavy work. I am too hungry to do such heavy work. I am too weak to do such heavy work. The little boy was too tired to go back soon. The little boy was too weak to answer the questions. You will be too tired to do such heavy work. Similarly, there are many other sentences which you can make from these words. And in all, you can make 27 sentences. So get going. तालिका 11 में when as well as after, before शब्दों का अभ्यास दिया गया है। इनके साथ लिंकिंग वर्ड्स नहीं जुड़ते, सीधे दूसरी क्लॉज जुड़ जाती है। जैसे when we arrived, it began to rain आदि। इसमें then नहीं आता। जैसे when we arrived, then it began to rain, ये गलत है। इसमें सही सेंटेंस होगा when we arrived, it began to rain। और अब देखते हैं तालिका 11, टेबल 11। टेबल 11 में 3 कॉलम्स हैं। कॉलम 1, when, as soon as, after, before. Column 2, we arrived. The train left. They came. She noticed. Column 3, it began to rain. He started crying. The lights went out. He moved away. अब हम इन वर्ड्स से सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे। When we arrived, it began to rain. When the train left, he started crying. When they came, the lights went out. When she noticed, he moved away. As soon as we arrived, it began to rain. As soon as the train left, it began to rain. As soon as they came, the lights went out. As soon as she noticed, he moved away. Before they came, it began to rain. After they came, it began to rain. Before she noticed, the lights went out. Before we arrived, he started crying. Before she noticed, he started crying. इसी तरह से बहुत सारे वाक्य इन 3 कॉलम्स के फ्रेजेस को जोड़कर आप बना सकते हैं। इनसे कुल मिलाकर 64 वाक्य बन सकते हैं। तो आगे की कोशिश करते रहें और अब चलते हैं अगली टेबल की ओर। तालिका 12, टेबल 12। तालिका 12 में सिंस और फॉर के सकारात्मक यानी कि पॉजिटिव वाक्य दिए गए हैं। सिंस और फॉर ऐसे शब्द हैं जिनमें कि हम अक्सर कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। SINCE सिंस और FOR फॉर। Table 12. In table 12, again we have 4 columns. Column 1, she, he, I, you. Column 2, has been, have been. Column 3, discussing this matter, quarreling over it, playing hockey, reading a novel. Column 4, since morning, for many days, since 2 p.m., for 2 hours. Now we are going to use the phrases and words in these columns to make meaningful sentences. She has been discussing this matter since morning. He has been discussing this matter for many days. He has been quarreling over it since morning. He has been playing hockey since 2 p.m. She has been reading a novel for many days. After she and he, we come to I and you. Now here is a change. When we are talking about she and he, we will be using has been. And when we talk about I and you, we are going to use have been. Listen carefully. I have been discussing this matter since morning. You have been playing hockey since 2 p.m. We cannot say she have been discussing this matter since morning or he have been discussing this matter since morning. That will be wrong. So when we use she and he, we have to use has been. And while using I and you, we will use have been. So in column 2, we have has been and have been. Once again, listen carefully. I have been playing hockey for 2 hours. You have been reading a novel since morning. She has been quarreling over it for many days. He has been playing hockey since 2 p.m. I hope you have understood what we tried to explain. And similarly, you can make 64 sentences in all from these phrases. So get going.
पृष्ठ 91,
24वां दिन. तालिका 13 में prepositions के उलट पुलट वाक्य दिए गए हैं. उन्हें ठीक से मिलाकर सार्थक वाक्य बनाइए. एक preposition का प्रयोग एक से अधिक वाक्य में हो सकता है. कठिनाई होने पर संबंधित पाठ की सहायता लीजिए. तालिका 13, Table 13. There are 3 columns in this table. Table 1 has the part of the sentence. Table 2 has the prepositions and Table 3 has the last part of the sentence. There are altogether 24 sentences which can be made from this table. But I will give you only a few examples. Example 1. You must refrain from smoking. 2. You must refrain from going there. 3. You must refrain from the matter. He was highly amused with my work. He was highly amused with my story. He was highly amused with his work. He was highly amused with his behavior. He prevents me from working too hard. He prevents me from going there. He prevents me from smoking. The mother is worried about her son's health. The mother is worried about his work. The mother is worried about the matter. His work is progressing by leaps and bounds. We got fed up with his behavior. We got fed up with his work. He was absorbed in his work. He was absorbed in music. He was absorbed in my story. The police looked into the matter. The police looked into the room. He is well versed in his work. He is well versed in music. My boss is pleased with his behavior. My boss is pleased with my story. My boss is pleased with the matter. My boss is pleased with my work. She went into the room. The doctor warned him against smoking. The doctor warned him against working too hard. In table 13, you have 3 columns, column 1, column 2 and column 3. In column 1, there are some words. 1. You must refrain. 2. He was highly amused. 3. He prevents me. 4. The mother is worried. 5. His work is progressing. 6. We got fed up. 7. He was absorbed. 8. The police looked. 9. He is well versed. 10. My boss is pleased. 11. She went. 12. The doctor warned him. In column 2, we have the prepositions by, into, against, about, in, with, from. And in column 3, we again have some words. 1. My story. 2. Working too hard. 3. Her son's health. 4. Music. 5. His work. 6. The matter. 7. His behavior. 8. Smoking. 9. Going there. 10. Leaps and bounds. 11. My work. And 12. The room.
25वां दिन। तालिका 14 में कर्मवाच्य यानी कि पैसिव वॉइस के वाक्य दिए गए हैं। इनको बोलकर अच्छी तरह अभ्यास कीजिए और इसका अर्थ मन में बैठाइए। सहायक क्रियाओं जैसे कि इज बीइंग, हैज बीन के साथ प्रधान क्रिया की थर्ड फॉर्म जुड़ती है। और ये कैसे होता है, इसे देखने के लिए सुनिए टेबल 14। तालिका 14, टेबल 14। There are 3 columns in all. Column 1, the money, the jewelry, the body of the lion. Column 2 is being, has been, is going to be, was being, had been, will be, will not be, will have been, should be. Column 3, collected, kept in a secret place, sent away, buried in my garden, move from here. Now when we are going to make sentences out of these phrases, they will sound like this. The money is collected. The money is being collected. The money is going to be collected. The money was collected. The money was being collected. The money had been collected. The money will be collected. The money will not be collected. The money will have been collected. The money should be collected. Similarly, the jewelry is being collected. The jewelry has been collected. The jewelry is going to be collected. Or, the body of the lion was kept in a secret place. The body of the lion was being kept in a secret place. The body of the lion will not be sent away. Similarly, the jewelry had been buried in my garden. The jewelry will not be moved from here. The jewelry is being collected. Altogether, you can make 165 sentences out of these phrases. Try them. पर हाँ, इन सेंटेंसेस को बनाते हुए इस बात का ध्यान रखिएगा कि सहायक क्रियाओं जैसे कि इज बीइंग, हैज बीन के साथ प्रधान क्रिया की थर्ड फॉर्म जुड़ती है। इस टेबल में बी इन्फिनिटिव के साथ कर्मवाच्य यानी कि पैसिव वॉइस के वाक्यों की रचना की गई है।
पृष्ठ 92।
26वां दिन। तालिका 15 में विशेषणों की द्वितीय अवस्था यानी कि कंपैरेटिव डिग्री के वाक्यों का अभ्यास दिया गया है। इसमें दैन का प्रयोग होता है। और अब देखते हैं टेबल 15। तालिका 15, टेबल 15। In this table also we have 5 different columns. Column 1, he was, they were. Column 2, more.
Column 3, wicked, honest, cruel, willing, cheerful, foolish. Column 4, single word, than. Column 5, anyone else. She was, you were, I was, we were. We begin with the sentence formation. He was more wicked than anyone else. He was more honest than anyone else. He was more cruel than anyone else. He was more willing than anyone else. He was more cheerful than anyone else. They were more wicked than she was. They were more honest than I was. They were more willing than we were. They were more cheerful than she was. He was more foolish than you were. He was more cheerful than I was. They were more cruel than anyone else. He was more wicked than you were. He was more cruel than we were. He was more foolish than anyone else. He was more willing than I was. They were more cruel than you were. Similarly, you can make altogether 60 sentences out of these words and phrases. Try them. तालिका 16, टेबल 16. तालिका 16 में विशेषणों की तृतीयावस्था यानी कि सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के वाक्य दिए गए हैं. इनमें बेस्ट ऑफ आदि शब्द प्रयोग किए जाते हैं. तालिका 16, टेबल 16. Again, we have to make 6 different columns. In column 1, we are going to write your coat, this one, that one. Column 2, is. Column 3, the. Column 4, thickest, worst, best, finest. Column 5, off. Column 6, all, those in the shop, the lot, any I have seen. Now let us begin with the sentence formation. Your coat is the thickest of all. Your coat is the worst of all. Your coat is the best of all. Your coat is the finest of all. Your coat is the thickest of the lot. Your coat is the worst of the lot. Your coat is the finest of the lot. Your coat is the best of those in the shop. Your coat is the finest of any I have seen. This one is the thickest of those in the shop. This one is the worst of all. This one is the best of the lot. This one is the finest of any I have seen. That one is the thickest of all. That one is the worst of all. That one is the best of all. That one is the finest of all. That one is the thickest of those in the shop. That one is the worst of those in the shop. That one is the best of those in the shop. That one is the finest of those in the shop. That one is the finest of anyone I have seen. Similarly, you can make altogether 48 sentences out of these words and phrases given in table 16. Let me remind you कि तालिका 17 में विशेषणों की तृतीयावस्था यानी कि सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के वाक्य जो दिए गए हैं इनमें बेस्ट ऑफ आदि शब्द प्रयोग किए जाते हैं. 27वां दिन. तालिका 17 ए में गणना सूचक यानी कि काउंटेबल शब्दों के प्रश्न वाक्य दिए गए हैं. तालिका 17 बी में मात्रा सूचक यानी कि अनकाउंटेबल शब्दों के प्रश्न वाक्य. मेनी गणना सूचक यानी कि काउंटेबल शब्द है. मच मात्रा सूचक यानी कि अनकाउंटेबल. ध्यान दीजिए, कप, नाइफ, पेन, पेंसिल, बुक गणना योग्य यानी कि काउंटेबल वस्तुएं हैं, जबकि मनी, ऑयल, ब्रेड, टी, sand मात्रा सूचक यानी कि अनकाउंटेबल शब्द। अब इस बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए टेबल 17A और B को ध्यान से सुनिए। तालिका 17 टेबल 17 टेबल 17A Table 17A has 4 different columns. Column 1, how many? Column 2, cups, knives, pens, pencils, books. Column 3, are there? Column 4, on the table, question mark. In the store, question mark. In the cupboard, question mark. Now we begin with the sentence formation. How many cups are there on the table? How many knives are there on the table? How many pens are there on the table? How many pencils are there on the table? How many books are there on the table? How many cups are there in the store? How many knives are there in the store? How many pens are there in the store? How many pencils are there in the store? How many books are there in the store? How many cups are there in the cupboard? How many knives are there in the cupboard? How many pens are there in the cupboard? How many pencils are there in the cupboard? How many books are there in the cupboard? Table 17B Talika 17B Again we have to make 4 columns. Column 1, how much? Column 2, money, oil, salt, tea, sand. Column 3, is there? Column 4, in the house? Question mark. In his possession? Question mark. For use? Question mark. Now we begin with the sentence construction. How much money is there in the house? How much oil is there in the house? How much salt is there in the house? How much tea is there in the house? How much sand is there in the house? How much money is there in his possession? How much oil is there in his possession? How much salt is there in his possession? How much tea is there in his possession? How much sand is there in his possession? How much money is there for use? How much oil is there for use? How much salt is there for use? How much tea is there for use? How much sand is there for use? Similarly, you can make other sentences also. Now we can see that in table 17A and table 17B, we can make 15 sentences each. इन वाक्यों को सुनने के बाद आप तो समझ ही गए होंगे कि many गणना सूचक यानी कि काउंटेबल शब्द है और much मात्रा सूचक अनकाउंटेबल।
पृष्ठ 93
28वां दिन तालिका 18 में सर्वनाम it के विभिन्न उपयोगों का अभ्यास दिया गया है। ध्यान से तालिका 18 को सुनिए। तालिका 18 Table 18 In table 18, we have to first make 3 different columns. Column 1, it. Column 2, is, was. Column 3, my friend. Not my turn. 4 o'clock. Not noon yet. Not true. Very easy. We begin with the sentence formation. It is not my turn. It is my friend. It is 4 o'clock. It is not noon yet. It is not true. It is very easy. It was my friend. It was not my turn. It was 4 o'clock. It was not noon yet. It was not true. It was very easy. तो देखा आपने कि तालिका 18 में सर्वनाम इट के विभिन्न उपयोगों का अभ्यास किस प्रकार कराया गया है। 29वां दिन तालिका 19 में 2 प्रकार के कर्ता हैं, नकारात्मक यानी कि नेगेटिव और सकारात्मक। नोबडी नेगेटिव यानी कि नकारात्मक है, समबडी तथा एवरीबडी पॉजिटिव यानी कि सकारात्मक है। नोबडी टुक एनीथिंग लास्ट टाइम का अर्थ है किसी ने पिछली बार कोई वस्तु नहीं ली। जबकि somebody took something last time का अर्थ है किसी ने पिछली बार कुछ वस्तु ली। नकारात्मक वाक्य में प्रायः anything और सकारात्मक वाक्य में something शब्द का प्रयोग आता है। तालिका 19 Table 19 Here again we make 4 different columns and we divide those 4 columns into 2. For example, column 1, no one, nobody, one of us and none of you. Then column 1 is divided into another column where we have everybody, somebody, some of you, a few of us. Now we come to column 2. Wrote, wanted, cared for. Another column, just below it, noticed, took. Column 3, anything. Just below anything, another column, something. Column 4, at that time. Just below this, another column for column 4, before breakfast, last time. Here we are going to see the difference between the negative and the positive, where we use anything and where we are going to use something. No one wrote anything at that time. No one wanted anything at that time. No one cared for anything at that time. Nobody wrote anything at that time. Nobody wanted anything at that time. Nobody cared for anything at that time. One of us wrote anything at that time. One of us wanted anything at that time. One of us cared for anything at that time. None of you wrote anything at that time. None of you wanted anything at that time. None of you cared for anything at that time. Now we come to the use of something. Everybody noticed something before breakfast. Everybody noticed something last time. Everybody took something before breakfast. Everybody took something last time. Somebody noticed something before breakfast. Somebody noticed something last time. Somebody took something before breakfast. Somebody noticed something before breakfast. Some of you noticed something before breakfast. Some of you took something before breakfast. Some of you noticed something last time. Some of you took something last time. A few of us noticed something before breakfast. A few of us noticed something last time. A few of us took something before breakfast. A few of us took something last time. Now we can see the difference between the use of anything and something. नकारात्मक वाक्य में प्रायः anything और सकारात्मक वाक्य में something शब्द का प्रयोग आता है। टेबल 19 यानी कि तालिका 19 के इन वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस से आप और भी सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हैं anything और something को लेकर, और कुल मिलाकर 100 वाक्य बनाए जा सकते हैं। So keep practicing because practice makes a man perfect. अभ्यास प्रैक्टिस 1. नीचे प्रश्न वाक्य और उत्तर वाक्य दिए गए हैं। प्रश्न या उत्तर में से अधिकांश वाक्य 21 से 29 दिनों के वाक्यों में से लिए गए हैं, पर कुछ वाक्यों को बदल दिया गया है। आप अपने साथी से कहें कि वह आपसे प्रश्न पूछे, आप उसका उत्तर दें, फिर वह आंसर वाक्य बोले और आप प्रश्न वाक्य बनाएं। इस तरह दोहरा अभ्यास कीजिए। 21वां दिन 1. What are you? I'm a clerk. Sentence 8. 2. What's your nationality? Indian. Sentence 12. 3. Is this the book you need? Yes, this is it. Answer 13. 4. Who went there? None of us. Sentence 25. 22वां दिन 5. Where is the book? On the table. Sentence 2. 6. Where is the clerk? At the table. At the seat. Sentence 3. 7. Where is Kamla going? Into the room. Sentence 7.
पृष्ठ 94।
8. Where is Kamla? In the room. Sentence 8. 9. What do you play besides hockey? football. Sentence 23. 10. Who is inside? Sentence 33. My brother. 23वां दिन. 11. Why does he work hard? Because he wants to win a prize. 12. Can she walk easily? No, she is quite weak. Or she can't. Sentence 20. 13. Who is guilty? Either you or your brother. Sentence 19. 14. For how long have you been learning English? Sentence 35. For the last 2 years. 15. When shall I receive his letter? Within 3 days. Sentence 27. 24वां दिन. 16. Was the boy absent from school? Yes, he was. Sentence 1. 17. Does he know his weakness? Yes, he is fully conscious of it. Or, he is fully aware of it. Sentence 22. 18. Are you sure of your success? Sentence 19. Yes, I am dead sure. 19. Are his remarks based on facts? No, they aren't. Sentence 37. 20. Why do you want to leave? To try for a better job or for better prospects. 25वां दिन. 21. What's to be done? Let the post be advertised. Sentence 26. 22. What am I requested to do? You are requested not to smoke. Sentence 27. 26वां दिन. 23. Shall we ever forget these good days? Sentence 4. No, we'll never forget them. Or, no, how can we? 24. Is man immortal? No, he is not. Sentence 19. 25. Is there any gain without hard work? No, there isn't. 27वां दिन. 27th day. 26. Did any of you play football? No, none of us did. 27. Isn't there any milk in the bottle? No, there isn't. 28. Shall I give you some more milk? No, thank you. No, I need no more. 29. Will you give whatever I want? With great pleasure. Yes, of course. 28वां दिन. 30. Who was that? Sentence 1. It's my friend. Sentence 2. 31. Is it me you are calling? Sentence 10. Yes, I need you. 32. How many boys are there in the class? There are many. Sentence 19. 29वां दिन. 33. Had anybody else come? Sentence 15. No, nobody. 34. For how long did you stay in the garden? Sentence 20. We stayed there all the time. 35. How much money can you lend me? At the most, I can lend you 10 rupees. 2. प्रश्न 1 के प्रश्न और उत्तर दोनों वाक्यों का सरल हिंदी में अनुवाद कीजिए. 3. 3. 1. Lata does come. 2. Lata comes. 3. Lata did come. 4. Lata came. ऊपर के वाक्यों को ध्यान से सुनिए और बताइए कि कौन से शुद्ध हैं. आप कहेंगे कि पहला और तीसरा वाक्य अशुद्ध है. हमारा कहना है ये चारों वाक्य बिल्कुल शुद्ध हैं. आप पूछेंगे कि यदि ये चारों वाक्य शुद्ध हैं तो आपस में इनके अर्थ में क्या अंतर है? हाँ, जो अंतर है उसे समझिए. लता डज कम और लता डिड कम दोनों वाक्य आना यानी कि कम क्रिया के अर्थ में बल यानी कि एम्फेसिस देते हैं. ऊपर के दोनों वाक्यों का अर्थ होगा 1. लता अवश्य आती है और लता अवश्य आई, या लता आती तो है और लता आई तो थी. दूसरे और चौथे वाक्य लता कम्स और लता केम का अर्थ होगा लता आती है और लता आई. ये दोनों सामान्य अर्थ वाली क्रियाएं हैं.
पृष्ठ 95.
सकारात्मक वाक्यों पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस में डू, डज और डिड के प्रयोग के विषय में ऊपर जो कुछ कहा गया है उसके अनुसार नीचे दिए गए वाक्यों का हिंदी में अर्थ बताइए. 1. My mother does like children. 2. Children do like to play. 3. The laborers did shout loudly. 4. Do come tomorrow. 4. निम्नलिखित रिक्त स्थानों को कोष्टक में दिए गए शब्दों में से उपयुक्त शब्द चुनकर भरिए। ध्यान से सुनिएगा। सेंटेंसेस के बीच में डैश जहां पर आएगा वो आपको भरना है और हर एक वाक्य के बाद 2 शब्द बताऊंगी जिनमें से एक सही उत्तर है, उसको चुनकर डैश के स्थान पर आपको रखना होगा। 1. He is dash American. A/An. 2. The train is late by half dash hour. A/An. 3. Is he dash Russian? A/An. 4. Qutub Minar is dash highest tower in India. A/An/the. 5. Sonpat is dash small town in Haryana. A/An/the. 6. These pictures dash mine is/are. 7. He has gone dash of Delhi. TO2/OUT out. 8. Are you going dash sleep? TO2/FOR4. 9. Put on a raincoat lest you dash get wet. Will/shall/should. 10. Neither Mahesh nor Ramesh dash football. Play/plays. 11. Is she dash to you? No. KNOW no/KNEW new. 12. They pray every day dash 15 minutes. For/till. 13. Either Sati or Mati dash to blame is/are. 14. She is dash weak to walk. TOO2/so. 15. I am dash weak that I can't walk. TOO2/so. The correct answers are 1. An. 2. An. 3. A. 4. The. 5. A. 6. Are. 7. Out. 8. To. 9. Should. 10. Plays. 11. Known. 12. FOR4. 13. Is. 14. To. TOO2. 15. So. 5. नीचे 2 वाक्यों में एक वाक्य शुद्ध है। ध्यान से पढ़कर शुद्ध वाक्यों का चुनाव कीजिए। Number 1. A. He looks older to his years. B. He looks older than his years. 2. A. My mother is right now. B. My mother is all right now. 3. A. Mother as well as father is happy. B. Mother as well as father are happy. 4. A. I couldn't understand but a few words. B. I could understand but a few words. 5. A. He was capable to support himself. B. He was capable of supporting himself. 6. A. I always see you with one particular person. B. I always see you with one certain person. And now, if you want the answers, they are here. ठीक उत्तर ये हैं। 1. B. He looks older than his years. 2. B. My mother is all right now. 3. A. Mother as well as father is happy. 4B. I could understand but a few words. 5B. He was capable of supporting himself. 6A. I always see you with one particular person. निम्नलिखित वाक्यों को शुद्ध करके लिखिए. पहले हम आपको गलत वाक्य बताएंगे और उसके बाद उसका सही उत्तर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1. This is a ass. This is wrong. This is an ass. This is the correct one. 2. That is a book. Full stop. That's my book. That is a book. Full stop. It is my book. 3. We travelled by ship. Full stop. It is a fine ship. We travelled by ship. Full stop. It was a fine ship. 4. I am taller than he. I am taller than him. 5. He was looking me. He was looking at me. 6. He had hardly finished the work. Then his friend came. He had hardly finished the work when his friend came. 7. Either you are thief or a robber. You are either a thief or a robber. 8. I have been studying this subject since 10 years. I have been studying this subject for 10 years. 9. He spent plenty of money at his wedding. He spent plenty of money on his wedding. 10. I no sooner left the house when it began to rain. No sooner did I leave the house than it began to rain. 11. Though his arms were weak, but his legs were strong. Though his arms were weak, his legs were strong. 12. Neither you nor I are lucky. Neither of us is lucky. 13. It is too hot for work. It is too hot to work. 14. Have you much toys? Do you have many toys? 15. This is a bread. Full stop. Bread is a food. This is bread. Full stop. Bread is food. 16. She is too weak that she can't walk. She is too weak to walk. 17. He works hard lest he will fail. He works hard lest he should fail. 18. Somebody spoke to me, I forget whom. Somebody spoke to me, I forget who. 19. He is a man whom I know is corrupt. He is the man who I know is corrupt. 20. Put everything in their place. Put everything in its place. 21. None of them was available there. None of them was available there. 22. There is misery in the life of all men. 22. There is misery in the life of all men. There is misery in the lives of all men. 23. Are you senior from him? Are you senior to him?
पृष्ठ 96.